Hey guys, haven't talked to you in a while. I'm glowing not because of my skincare routine, it's because it's so humid outside, it's horrible. And yeah, I think in my last clip I showed you guys my fiance's gift for his birthday. And I haven't talked to you guys
So
since
it reached.
Yeah, it reached Yorgo. And yeah, before that I think I told you guys we're going to the pool, and then I didn't even film that day because it was so hot I didn't take my camera. And so yeah, now it's like not the weekend anymore and we're at DFC. I want to pick up some hair products because I still have a few months before the wedding, but this is when I need to start taking care of my hair and like all the little things like this, because it will be too late if I wait. So yeah, here we are. So, oh, that's the one I'm looking for. There. This night serum, I heard a lot of good things about it. And then the second thing I want to get is this. Wait, this is secured good. Hey guys, it's the next day. I woke up very early today, took a nice shower, and I thought I would show you the things I got from Gold Apple because I used this last night. And this is like a very famous hair product. I wanted to kind of start taking care of my hair, make it like grow longer, and so this is not expensive, by the way, if you want to buy it. It's rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil, and I applied it last night knowing that today I'm gonna shower because it gets your hair oily. So I just applied it on my roots and then I massaged it for like 2-3 minutes and I slept. And then today I took a shower, and then the second product that I got, which is on the expensive side, so this is a lot more expensive than the other because it's Kerasta's, it's a very famous brand. And yeah, I did a little research and it seems like these are very good products, especially when you're kind of doing them together in a way. So yeah, this is like a night serum, 8-hour magic night serum. You can use it at night or you can just use it during the day, I guess. But yeah, this is a leave-in, so it's just a serum, and then I apply it after my hair is like styled, but you can also apply it like on damp hair, I think. Yeah, but it's mainly for dry hair. And it doesn't make your hair oily. And then they gave me this as a gift as well, which is a toner. It's pretty good. I tried it today as well, and like it's not the sticky kind of toner, which I love. While I'm here, I forgot I did not apply this today, and so I'm gonna do it now. I'm just gonna do 3 pumps. You can do more if you're gonna go to bed, but like I just styled my hair and I don't think I want to put a lot. It's so weird, like at first when you apply it, it feels like it's making my hair greasy, but then it instantly like disappears. I don't know. It's really good, and it smells amazing. It smells really good. Ta-da! Anyway, this is my before. We can compare when I'm like closer to the wedding, like in a few months. Maybe we should compare. Hey guys, I'm at the supermarket. My fiance's birthday, like we're throwing him a birthday before his actual birthday. It's in a few days, and I committed to making his cake and I forgot. And now I'm running like a crazy girl. ما بتفرق بس ما بدي اياه مويست. هي أظبط شي. Lemon triple chocolate.
166 144 616.
ما بفتكر احوز Hey guys, it's a bit later. I did my makeup and I have a bit of time before my fiance comes home, and so I thought I would write his birthday letter. And yeah, I showed you guys a few of the things I bought for his birthday, like candle, balloons. This is cute. You can wear this. Guys, I came to the store with my mom and I got these. I always wanted to have little things like that. I mean, I got some clips and stuff. Let me show you what I did. So cute. I wish I had more hair here. Good morning, guys. Last night I was planning on vlogging for you guys, like bringing you along. We went to a Arabic party, like a society. It's just like a nightclub here, and they were having Arabic night, and then they took my camera at the door, which is weird. Like, I don't know. And what's funny is that I have my second vlogging camera, which they did not bother to look that much into my bag, and so they took that one, but they left the other one. So I don't get it. Anyways, I did not like film anything, so it's fine. And today it's pretty early in the morning because I barely slept, but I have to wake up early because I need to do the cake, which I told you about yesterday. I just baked the layers, but today I have to assemble them, and tomorrow is the birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna assemble them, and then I have like a Pinterest photo of what I want the cake to look like. I'm gonna do something funny, hopefully. And yeah, I just hope it looks clean, you know? Like, I don't want it to look homemade.
Enough, Doido. Keep it for the decoration.
No, I'm not putting too much. Guys, I did the guy like the inspo picture, but for the letters, like for the writing, there is no way I'm doing it with the fondant. So I'm gonna do some like cream and then kind of write it with like a pipe or something. I don't know. But yeah, this was so like difficult to do. I don't know why this type of fondant is so hard to work with. Yeah, it's the last time I ordered that brand. I don't know. Guys, I'm finally done. That took like 3 hours because I didn't know how to write these. It's just, it was very horrible. Anyways, I just ended up doing it with like a toothpick and some food coloring, and I just literally wrote every letter, and then I had to like rewrite it because it's so faint. And anyways, I think it's looking okay, but it's super fragile. Like if I touch this, it's over. It's just black everywhere. So I don't know how we're gonna take it there without ruining it, especially in this heat. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.